Today on the SN95 Owner's Guide, we announce the lucky winner of the Tuning Innovations Fuel Hose Draw. Hello and welcome, I'm Darren and this is the SN95 Owner's Guide. Throughout January, we partnered with Ted Jenkins at Tuning Innovations to give away a set of his custom fuel hoses for 94, 95 5-liter Mustangs. We are pleased to announce that the winner is Jeffrey Kirkland of Henderson, Tennessee, and he'll be installing them on his 1995 SVT Cobra number 922. Now, before you click away, I'd like to tell you about how Jeffrey saved 95 Cobra 922 from the crusher for a second time. The story starts with Jeffrey's brother, who had purchased this Cobra from the original owner back in 1999. It spent the next 3 years being raced and run hard on the street, which is the best place for any Cobra to be exercised. In 2002, there is an incident that regrettably resulted in the Cobra being totaled. Jeffrey's brother decided to set off to college, and the car was passed on to Jeffrey's father and later repaired. Now part of a larger car collection, it didn't get driven much and needed a lot of TLC. Jeffrey told his father that if the car were ever to come for sale, he wanted it. Just over a decade later, in 2013, on Jeffrey's 35th birthday, he got the best gift you could imagine. His father gifted him Cobra number 922. The Cobra served up daily driving enjoyment, which Jeffrey comments makes him feel one with the road. But in 2016, bad luck struck again, and the Cobra was involved in another serious collision. And Jeffrey was faced with the difficult decision to fix it or scrap it. This was no easy choice. These sorts of repairs cost a lot of time and money, and like most of us, there comes a point of asking yourself, is it worth it? Is it worth this time and money? Fortunately for number 922, life wasn't over and he decided to embark on a 2-year restoration, which became a father, son, and grandfather project. As you can see, this was no small job. The whole front required serious repair and a bunch of donor parts. By the time it was done, it was nearly a complete reclip on the front of the Cobra. While the bodywork was ongoing, he refreshed the Cobra 5.0's engine with new rings and bearings. Just like the bodywork, all the engine work was done by Jeffrey and his family. Not satisfied with a completely stock Cobra, he built his own fender well intake, ported the Cobra manifold, and installed a BBK X-pipe and Flowmaster exhaust. He also installed a set of 373 gears, which we all know really wake these cars up. Despite a rough life, this story is the best kind of ending because the Cobra is all back together and has clocked over 10,000 miles on the new build. He and his family can all once again enjoy the power and torque of this SVT Cobra as they cruise on the open road. Guys, it's passionate owners like Jeffrey that are the foundation of this hobby, and I can't think of a more deserving place for these fuel hoses. Jeffrey Kirkland, congratulations on winning our draw, and thank you for sharing the story of Cobra 922. If you want to learn more about Cobra 922 or give him a thumbs up, Jeffrey can be found over on the SN95 Owners Group on Facebook, or you can toss him a comment down below. That's a wrap for this contest. Everyone, thank you so much for entering, and if you want to order a set for yourself, visit Tuning Innovations on Facebook and Ted will hook you up. And for those of you with Foxes, I have great news for you. Ted has just released a Fox application hose set. Check out those in the links below. Until next time, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and get out there and enjoy those cars. Thank you.